Hayi mina umjolo songizwise ubuhlungu kakhulu. Ezinye izinto sengizibona ziseza. Ngikutshela ukuthi inkulumo ithi isaqala kumuntu engithandana naye ngiyibone ukuthi le nkulumo le iyaphi. Sewuke walahlwa ungenzanga lutho. Awazi lutho wena. Ngikutshela ukuthi kuyi-Saturday uvuswe i-text ethi hello. Hayi uphendule. Hawu morning. Athi ngicela sihlangane sizokhuluma. Uthi uyi-out nawe. Hayi no vele ngingajabula sihlangane nami bengithi ngisaza kucela ukuthi uze uzolala ngapha egombeni lami njengoba kuyi-Saturday nje vele nami ngiyafisa ukuthi sihlangane sibe ndawonye. Athi cha, I don't want us to meet at your place. Nila efonini niya-text. Athi asihlangane in a public place like a restaurant or at a park. Uyibuza hawu indaba manje athi no i-serious into engifuna ukuyikhuluma nawe. Hayi uyitshela ukuthi ngokunye kodwa futhi lento manje so curious ukuthi ngabe yini lento ekumele siyikhulume siku-public space like a park noma e-restaurant. Vele ufike e-restaurant ngihlale ni-order lawo ma-drink bese athi please tell me you won't be angry. Hayi man khuluma ngakwatelani khuluma man. Athi also ngicela ungabi sad. Hayi man hlala endabeni. Angisho uyazazi vele ukuthi wena kuzinto osephutheni kimi. Athi yazi lento engizokutshela yona it's not about anything wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with you. In fact, you're the best boyfriend ever. What I'm about to tell you, sure, I feel bad. Abambe mehlo umangala ukuthi iyaphi le nkulumo. Athi you know hayi ukuthi kukhona into wrong ngawe man. Yazi kube kuyangami kuba ngiyenze noma ngisho lento engizokutshela yona. Uthi khuluma manesh. Athi ngicela sithathe i-break. Before uphendula ukuthi why kumele sithathe i-break. I'm going through a lot and when you are just doing everything right, you greet me every morning, you buy me flowers, you are treating me well. I feel so special and I'm all over the place. I'm so messed up. I feel like I'm not good for you. Zehle inyembezi la kuwe. So, angisho so yabona ukuthi yabo lento e-break ayikho ukuthi kuthathwe i-break la ngiyalahlwa. Zehle inyembezi. Athi give me a hug, asondele, asukume etafuleni la. Ambeze la uhleli khona esitulweni akuhage. Bese uyakuyeka abuyela ahlale phansi. Angifike uyabona manje ukuthi uyakhala. Namanje futhi awusakhaliswa ukuthi ukhalela ukuthi uyalahlwa. Ukhalela lokuthi ulahlwa ungenzanga lutho. Awenzanga lutho kodwa soyalahlwa. Hayi umuntu wakhona kube ngathi lamagama washilo wakanela awekho enough. Achubeke athi please promise me you'll be okay. Please promise me you'll be fine because I want the best for you. That's why I'm doing this. Wena ngabe ukaso walahlwa ungenzanga lutho. Hayi umjolo songivithize kakhulu. Enye into ngiyiboniseza le ukuthi ayabona lana ngiyolahlwa la.